Hey everyone! Splitting your screen on TradingView is the ultimate way to monitor multiple timeframes or different assets simultaneously. In 2026, this feature is highly customizable, allowing you to sync your movements across all charts. Here is how to set up your multi-chart command center. Step 1. Accessing the Layout Command Center. We're starting at the top main toolbar. We're heading to the Select Layout icon, which sits right next to the Search and Save buttons. We do this to open the configuration menu that dictates how your browser window is divided. Click the Select Layout icon, usually represented by a square grid pattern. A drop-down menu will appear showing various grid configurations. Single chart, 1 by 1, the default view. It focuses all your screen real estate on one asset. Dual split, vertical or horizontal, splits your screen into two. This is the most popular choice for comparing a macro time frame, like the daily, against a micro time frame, like the 5-minute. Triple and quad layouts, these divide the screen into 3 or 4 equal sections. These are perfect for sector scanning, for example, watching 4 different banking stocks simultaneously to see which one is leading the trend. The 8-chart Pro view, this fills the screen with tiny charts. We do this for high-level monitoring of entire watch lists during volatile market openings. Step 2. Changing the layout. Now we're in the grid selection phase. Once you click your preferred layout, such as a 2-chart vertical split or a 4-chart quad grid, the change happens automatically. Your browser window will instantly divide into the selected number of panes. Each pane is now a fully functional independent chart that can host different assets, timeframes, or indicators. Step 3. Understanding the multi-chart logic. We're finishing with a quick explanation of how these split screens behave. We do this because it's important to know how to keep your data organized without manual repetition. Only one chart is active at a time. Look for the blue border around a specific pane. This tells you which chart will respond to your keyboard shortcuts or indicator additions. Within that same layout menu, you can toggle sync symbol or sync interval. If these are on, changing the ticker on one chart will update all the others instantly. If they are off, you can watch Bitcoin on the left and Ethereum on the right independently. Any changes to your split screen layout are saved to your current cloud layout, meaning they will look exactly like this the next time you log in. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.